push the pikin come outside, you go collect the pikin. You see how she demonstrate, you go collect the pikin. Then you use this surgical blade, you cut the on top of her stomach to bond with the baby.
Rotary Clubs in Districts 9125 and Save Across Hospital in Guidna Community in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, says no fewer than 500 women and children have benefited from their free medical outreach. The district's chair, Maternal and Child Health Committee, Districts 9125, said that the women received mosquito nets, free scan services, deworming of children, eye checks, and distribution of eyeglasses, among others.
The essence of today's program is to fulfill the area of focus as it concerns maternal and child health, safe delivery for women, safe breastfeeding for women and children, healthy living for women and children. So we are here today to provide the necessary awareness and health interventions for mother and children in this community. We are here to enlighten them on safe delivery, issues surrounding safe breastfeeding, the importance of breastfeeding, little treat them on preventable diseases like malaria, common diseases that affect women and children, distribute mosquito nets, mama kits to them, and then demonstrate safe delivery to them. What they need to do in case of emergency, if they don't have a medical personnel close to them and if they are not close to any health facility, the necessary tips they need to know to take care of themselves so that the life of the baby will be safe and the life of the mother is also safe at delivery.
Dr. Patrick Ezie, the Chief Medical Director, Save Across Hospital, said the gesture was to assist the poor and needy in the community.
We came together and decided that we need to flag off this kind of intervention for women in rural communities and suburban areas, because we have begun to identify that a lot of these women are not able to get the kind of care that they want or that they even need for basic problems. So today we are going to be providing free medical care for them. The health education is already going on. We're going to ensure that we scan the pregnant women free of charge. We will do a lot of tests for the women, HIV tests, we'll do hepatitis tests, we'll screen them for syphilis, we'll check them for malaria, we'll do typhoid tests, and then we'll provide drugs for them. And all these interventions is so that we can be able to nip in the bud some medical conditions that might be very serious. Also, we also understand that government is also doing a program on HPV. So we'll also screen the women for cervical and breast cancer. And anyone that we see, we'll be able to do our best to manage or refer to the appropriate levels of care that the women will need.
Also, the President, Rotary Club of Asokoro and Chief Executive Officer, Eye Care Aid Foundation, said the medical intervention is to give back to the society and assist indigent communities with basic healthcare services.
One of the things that we do is that we do projects. More than 44 clubs in Abuja, we are all doing different kinds of projects, and projects are going on a weekly and monthly basis. So we are doing this kind of interventions everywhere. And also the NGO, which I'm also CEO of, Eye Care Aid Foundation, every weekend we are in different communities in the FCT providing eye care services to the indigent communities around the FCT. For people who are here, people that we treat, people that we examine, we right away we give them glasses. We're doing a project, we are promoting reading glasses. People who do not have access to reading glasses, we are providing access to reading glasses free of charge. They do not have to pay for it. This project is also, sponsored by ACT Foundation. ACT Foundation is an NGO of Access Bank. So we are in partnership with them to provide these free reading glasses all over the FCT, are reaching up to 20,000 persons in the FCT.
Mrs. Salamatu Musa, a beneficiary, appreciated the clubs and the hospital for organizing the medical outreach in their community. The event also featured health talk by Miss Victoria Soyomoko, the FCT Miss Nightingale 2023.
They teach us many things, how to hold our children, to train them and breastfeed them till we stop them from breastfeeding. Thank God for coming, and we want them to come more and more because we appreciate on it and we gain on it. We thank you very much. Welcome.